Hello my people, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be sharing my skincare routine with you guys, but with a twist. I am going to be doing this video today in my native language. I'm from West Africa, Nigeria. I am from the Igbo tribe. Inugo! If you're not from my culture, you say Igbo, but you're from my culture, you say Igbo. Bam! Yes. So can it be though? Today I get me ihe ndị ọcha na-akpọ skincare routine. So the problem you use today we have about time-wise miracle set. Ow! Marykay ndị gị unu na ya mama. Hey! Na my anything. I couldn't have time-wise there, eh? I go just chill. Just they go do ihu. Lema. Skin. Ow! So ụmụ nwanyị na ụmụ nwoke ka m gwa no. I couldn't have time-wise. Odiroizi akwunama. Mara mma. Product ya makazia. Genede. The first thing they use with this brush. Hana boya Skin Vigorate brush by marykay. Okoya. You get your time-wise 4-in-1 face wash. Okay? Get here, I'll top the brush like this. Then I gonna do sachaya. Messiah like this, say, you got who say, the skin and everyday, chema. Okuhuna. Let go do the skin, okuhuna. Chai, mama, time-wise, jemano. Next thing I'm going to do this product by marykay Clinical Solutions HA Ceramide Booster. Okay. Okuna mahia na bo hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid. Ihe o hyaluronic acid. Chai. Negodo. Mmiri ọma. Lenu. Okuna mahia na bo glass skin. Ihe o glass skin. Chai, lego dono. Nne adori. Oh, skin ya na ihu dim huru ya she baby, I love you. Ogenede ezigbo. Next up with this product na akpọ ya time-wise eye cream. Nne ka m gwara unu something. Gị ma na iwu okorobịa na ọgbọbịa. And na ete moisturizer n'anya gị. Chai, imemanu. Oh, jeje zuru eye cream gị. It gets why. You supposed to need love on your eyes. Iboala. Need love, care. Ihe ke wo ihe ondocha na-ekpo self-care. Yeah? There's only one of you. You have to take care of yourself. If you don't take care of yourself, who's going to take care of you? So please, self-care. Oh, next product I get wo ihe na-akpọ time-wise antioxidant moisturizer. Okuna hona marykay. This product na-eme ihu na-edi soft. Ihu gị ga-amara mma. Ihu gị ga-ame sunshine. Asa nwa, asa mpete. Ekokwala shi nne mmadụ gwa gị she. You need moisturizer. Ase. You need moisturizer. Nanu. Back. The final product I get we have na-akpọ time-wise daytime defender sunscreen SPF 30. Yes, in my hair SPF name made for the skin. One in the comments. Okay. And you give me about, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otu, abo, ato, ano, ise. Mema. Mema da. I get protect quite the skin. Okwaya. The skin they happy now, Skin they got the happy. They protect quite the neck too. So neke ma ya na kuna huna shi hu mara ma kuna huna the skin. And I get me also na the night. Okay? For the night time I get me the time-wise nighttime recovery. I come here I get tia. I get tema. Then I get Jesus okay. Thank you for watching my video today. You like it, give me a thumbs up, give me comment. You questions, you just name love. Name love na the comments. Bye. Adam mara madu de ke gag ne ki kwanu se. Me too much.